Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi cucumber pickles. First, gather your fresh ingredients and prepare your workspace for an enjoyable cooking experience. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your pickles turn out perfectly crunchy and bursting with flavor. This method is straightforward, designed for anyone to follow, resulting in a delightful and authentic Korean side dish. Get ready to create a truly satisfying treat. Next, let's prepare our cucumbers. Choose about 2 pounds of small, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally around 3 to 4 inches long. Wash them thoroughly, then cut each cucumber into 4 equal pieces lengthwise. In a large bowl, toss these pieces with 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Allow them to sit for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for drawing out excess water, ensuring your pickles remain wonderfully crisp. Now for the heart of our kimchi, the paste. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir in 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a vibrant, aromatic paste that's ready to coat your cucumbers. Finally, let's bring it all together. After 30 minutes, rinse your salted cucumbers thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. In a large bowl, toss the dried cucumber pieces with your freshly made kimchi paste, ensuring every piece is well coated. Pack the coated cucumbers tightly into a clean, airtight jar. Refrigerate for at least 24 hours before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.